used for demoing the Lucid warehouse management application. This is the home screen of the application, and on this home screen, you can search PO lines via a material or via a material and a purchase order. The first way we're going to go about in the demo is via the material. So after entering a material number, you can select this button and then you'll be brought to a page which has the material information at top and then all the PO lines associated to that material that you've entered. Selecting one of these PO lines for inbound delivery setup will bring you to another page in which you'll have the material information here in an accordion view, and then you could click and see the PO information that you selected, and the third accordion row here will allow you to enter some data. You'll have 3 fields that the user can enter data in: the external ID, delivery quantity, and packaging quantity. So entering some delivery quantity and packaging quantity will allow the user to then create the inbound delivery. Selecting this button will create the inbound delivery and also print the labels for those inbound delivery records that get created. You'll get this nice little message here that tells you the inbound deliveries are going to get created and a printing of the labels will happen as well. So while this process is happening, after it's complete, you'll be able to also drill down into the HUs created by this process. And once this process finishes, that button will appear for that drill down. So here that button is. And then these are the 2 handling units created by the process. You can reprint the label if you'd like. After you print it, you get the successful message, and then you could do the process again. So we'll come back to the home screen. This time we'll go through a process where we select a material and a purchase order. So after entering that, you see that the text changed here. We'll navigate to the screen. Again, we have the material info up here, and then we have the purchase order line associated to this material and purchase order that we selected. We'll enter the inbound delivery setup page again. You'll see the same accordion views here. We want to enter the inbound delivery information. So if we just do 10 and 5 here, this will probably give us 2 HUs as well. Once we create the inbound delivery, we'll get our message here, proceed. Again, we'll wait for the process to complete. So the process is complete. We'll go to the handling units. You'll see that there was 2 created. And then also, what's also allowed in this application is you can actually search deliveries via the material used or a material or via a purchase order or via the delivery. So let's just take this delivery here, so 18,2446, and we'll go ahead and try searching that by clicking here. We'll get rid of some of these field values because we only need one or the other. So let's take this delivery and let's enter here and let's see what labels were created or what delivery was created here. And then you could see this information for that delivery. Again, if you come back to this delivery page and you want to search on the purchase order that we did one for, or one that the user might know, you can see this, and then you'll see the message here, deliveries via purchase order. And then that's the inbound delivery that we created for this purchase order. So that is the application, quick application, and some of the functionality that you can do within the application.